Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these cute phone charms from cold porcelain clay. I first make the cookie by making a round ball and flattening it and then texturing it. I then add in darker bits of brown clay for the chocolate chips. I also use a circular cutter and cut out small half circles on the cookie to show as if it was bitten through. To make the coffee cup, I roll a piece of clay, applying pressure to one side to make it more narrow on one side. I then stick a green band of clay around the cup. I also cut out a white circle for the lid of the cup and texture it. I then make the body of the bear and stick on the ears and indent them. I also cut out the shape of an apron and stick it onto the bear. I then also cut out straps for the apron. I also add in a chef's hat to the bear. I take pieces of black clay for the eyes and nose and stick on the eyebrows as well. I cut light pink circles for the cheeks and cut off the excess. I finally also stick in the cookie. I cut small sausages of clay for the hands and legs. I go on ahead and make the body for the second bear and add in the ears. I also make an apron for the bear. also go and make a cap for the bear, like so. I take bits of black clay and added it for the eyes and nose. I also make eyebrows for the bear and then add in the cheeks as well. I stick in the coffee cup made earlier and add in sausages of clay for the hands and legs. Thank you for watching the video. If you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.